Hi guys, this is Mr. Horecan, and I am sharing with you today the research I carried out about the true history of beer.
Beer, the beloved beverage enjoyed by millions of people around the world today, has a rich history that traces back to ancient Egypt and Africa.
Yes, you heard that right. Yes, this is true and absolutely true. The first beer was brewed right here in the continent of Africa. Africa did play a crucial role in the origin of beer that we all drink and celebrate today.
According to a 2008 study by McGovern and published in the Journal of Archaeological Science, the earliest evidence of beer production dates to the Neolithic period in Mesopotamia, present-day Iraq, around 3500 BCE. The study argues that beer was likely a byproduct of early bread-making techniques, as the grains used to make bread were also fermented to create beer. Another study by Lai, published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2006, suggests that beer was first created in China around 9000 BCE. This study argues that beer was likely first created from a variety of grains, including barley, wheat, and rice, and that it was used as a source of nutrition and for medicinal purposes.
According to a 2008 study by McGovern, published in the Journal of Archaeological Science, the earliest evidence of beer production dates to the Neolithic period in Mesopotamia, present-day Iraq, around 3500 BCE. The study argues that beer was likely a byproduct of early bread-making techniques, as the grains used to make bread were also fermented to create beer. Another study by Henderson, published in 2017 in the Journal of Anthropological Archaeology, suggests that beer was independently discovered in ancient Egypt around 5000 BCE. This study argues that beer was likely first created from barley, which was a staple crop in ancient Egypt, and that it was used in religious ceremonies and as a source of nutrition. However, looking at the fact of the specific grains used and the purpose of beer in ancient society are all traced back to ancient Egypt. The Egyptians were not only skilled at brewing beer, but also had a deep cultural appreciation for the drink. The origin of beer, which has always been a topic of scholarly debate, shows evidence suggesting that it may have originated in Mesopotamia, Egypt. From the earliest chemical evidence of beer to the domestication of barley, Africa has left a lasting impact on the history of beer.
So drink it. Celebrate it. The next time you raise a glass of beer, remember the crucial role Africa played in the origin of this beloved beverage and say cheers to beer, cheers to Africa. I am Mr. Horecan.
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube and social media handle at Mr. Horecan for more on our tourism insight and training and videos.